So we're looking at 1/5 q plus 3 equals 3. And we want to solve for q. Well, so the goal of this is to have q equals, right? Well, right now I don't have q equals. I have 1/5 q plus 3 equals. So before I am going to isolate the q and the 1/5 q, I have to get rid of this 3 right here. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides, and that 3 goes away, and I'm left with 1/5 q equals 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay, so from here, I'm still looking for q. And that relationship between 1/5 and q is multiplication. So I can divide by what I don't want. And what I don't want is that 1/5. To leave me with q equals 0 divided by 1/5. You can do that in your calculator, but 0 divided by anything is 0.